Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, or welcome if you're new. My name is Adwoa and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. So today, I wasn't planning on vlogging, but we're gonna do it because I have so much I wanna do. I'm gonna get some fall decor. I want to organize my desk and my room. I started going through my makeup and stuff, so we're gonna do that, and then I have a lot of schoolwork that I need to do, and then we're gonna bake some pumpkin spice muffins. I made them on Sunday and today's Tuesday and we're out, so I'm gonna bring you along with me. I normally would have class in about an hour, but we have an asynchronous lesson today, so I'm gonna quickly go to Dollarama because one, it's cheap and they have good stuff, and two, because I heard that they have some pretty cute fall stuff. My mom got some flowers and they're so cute. I love them, so I want some for my room. And yeah, if you want to see me doing all of these things, then keep on watching. Please don't mind my laundry in the back. I don't want to expose myself, but it's a very productive day. I'm going to put my laundry away. I'm going to organize my closet. I'm going to organize my drawers. I'm going to organize this. It's more organized than it was. A package just got delivered that I was looking for. I'm gonna organize my desk, and I think I'm gonna start with that. I don't want to show you the state of my desk because it's bad. It's so bad. But yeah, I'm gonna pick it up. It just got delivered, so I'm gonna go pick it up. So I got these interlocking desk organizers. I don't really know if I needed to, but got these, and then the other thing in the package is for my mom, so I'm gonna leave that. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly clean off my desk and then we can get to the desk organizing. I don't want to show you because it's really bad, but let's get to cleaning. Okay, so right now this drawer is an absolute mess, and I'm gonna take everything out of it and then get to organizing using my new little organization stuff. Oh my gosh, I forgot how low this is. So I'm gonna open this up and organize. I have to switch batteries because this one is dying. So I have been organizing and I made a huge mess. So I am going to quickly go to Dollarama, get my stuff, and then I'll do a little haul, and then I think we'll get to organizing today or tomorrow. We'll see. I just want to go now so that I have them, and then I can decorate and we'll go from there. Okay, hey y'all, little update. So I did do some shopping for fall decor. I did go a little bit overboard, just a little bit. And then I just got off of a Zoom call. My room is still a disaster. So I am going to do as much as I can tonight, continue tomorrow. I want to do like the little haul for my room stuff soon, like probably in the next hour or two. Time to clean. I don't want to show you because it's too much. It's just too much. Okay, so I just wanted to do a little bit of a haul of the stuff that I got. So the first thing, since I already took it out of the package, is this mug. It says Witch's Brew. And it came with this little owl, which is super cute. And then I got this fall candle. It says Autumn Berry. I didn't even smell it. Oh wow, that smells so good. It definitely fits the fall vibes in terms of like the color scheme. I got this little jar to put the flowers that I got. got this little coffee mug that says, or it doesn't say anything, but it has a little sun on it, and I think that's pretty cute. It's not really fall-esque, but I needed it. And onto this super big bag. I got 2 of these little flower thingies that are gonna go into that vase. That's the right word. And then I got this with just like autumn leaves on it. I got these pumpkins. I don't know, I just think that they're super cute. And then the last thing that's fall-esque is this cup. It says pick your poison. I don't know, I thought it was super cute. And then some other things that I got a shower curtain. Shower curtain liner. Because the one that we have in our bathroom just doesn't, I don't like it because of the color scheme. I got a car air freshener thingy. I got some what are these called? These craft sticks, popsicle sticks. Got some face towels. Some gloves for cleaning. So exciting. I got Ziploc bags, and then this body butter. It sounds amazing, especially at nighttime, because it's lavender scented. So, and I've always wanted to try body butter, so this is the perfect opportunity. And then last but not least, you know those things at the checkout they got me? It's like a it's a tear and share size pack of Skittles. So yeah, I can't wait to decorate tomorrow. I'm also gonna bake tomorrow. I wanted to bake today, but that just didn't work out. I love this. I don't even drink, but this would be cool. I don't know, I just thought it would be cool. Maybe I'll have to start. I'm kidding.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. So I was trying to be a good like content creator and try to make a reel, and Instagram deleted like all of my clips except for 3. So I had a little 4-second reel. I was trying to show how I make my breakfast, which is like cinnamon apples on top of like protein oats, and it deleted it. And I just want to cry, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna finish my breakfast. Class starts in like 20 minutes, so I'm going to finish my breakfast, hopefully clear off my desk, and then we're gonna continue with this room organization. And then my laptop comes today. Oh my gosh. And then also my pumpkin spice latte protein's also coming today. Like, I didn't expect it to come until like Monday, next Monday, or it might come tomorrow, but like it's a good day. So I'm gonna finish my breakfast. I'm watching World's Strictest Parents. I started it last night, but I didn't finish. And then I have a video that I want to put up today, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so class is about to start. I'm joining the call right now. And the prof's not even in the class. Class is starting. Okay, so I'm done class. Guys, I'm literally shaking. It said that my computer wasn't gonna get here, and it's here! Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to film a separate this is so exciting for me because the laptop that I have now, it's a hand-me-down from my dad, and I've always wanted a brand new one, and I finally have one. Hey, I'm literally gonna cry. No, like the UPS thing said that the date was tentative now, even though it said it was supposed to deliver today. Hey y'all, so I did most of the cleaning. So now I just want to do some decorating because I just want to use my stuff. So I'm gonna put the flowers in here. Let's make sure to take off the tags. Doesn't this just scream fall? They say it's Thanksgiving. Doesn't this just look cute? I think I'm gonna put it in the background here. Put it but I am gonna switch out the candle and put this autumn berry. It seriously smells so good. Put it right here. I kind of want to go and get a garland, or just like some fake leaves so I can stick them to the lights that I have around my closet. Oh no. I have to find a place for it. It doesn't break. It's kind of intruding on the space here. But I'm gonna put one of these or two of these. I don't even know. One here. I guess the other one here somewhere. This little fall spirit, you know. So now I'm going to finish watching my vlog for the next like maybe 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna bake. I want to bake some pumpkin spice muffins or cupcakes, and then actually no, I'm gonna get ready while I'm watching my vlog because I want to film my unboxing. That big old booty, shake that booty, kind of lay on the booty, my titanium booty. I forgot to talk after I did my journaling. I have to like summarize a paper soon, so that's gonna be fun. And then I'm going to, I got my pumpkin spice protein in the mail last night, so I'm gonna try that out later today. But yeah, I'm so excited.
That's great, thanks.
So I'm going to talk about the industries and the business cycles. So industry analysis aids in identifying attractive investment opportunities, and it's also useful when using the top-down approach. And using the top-down approach is when the investor looks at the overall economic outlook
and then looks at how certain industries are predicted to perform based on how the economy looks, and then finally the individual companies, and then they finally look at individual companies within a certain industry, and then choose to invest based on their intrinsic value. Okay, hey guys, so class is over and I'm just going to bake really quick because on Sunday I made some pumpkin spice muffins and those are gone. So I'm gonna make more for my brother and I. I will link the recipe down below. It's not my own recipe. I found it on Pinterest. Okay, so cupcakes are done. This is what they look like. Okay, hey guys, so just finished baking as you saw. And I am so hungry. I didn't finish my breakfast. I'm gonna finish that. And I've been craving shawarma or shawarma. I don't know how to say it properly, but I've been craving that. Okay, sorry, I was just reading something from my coaching course that I'm doing. But yeah, I really want some shawarma. I got a package from Amazon. Let's open that right now. Man, it's so weird. I have my let me show you my little setup. So I have my old computer here that I'm gonna give to my brother, and then my new one with my emails and stuff, but I'm going to close the old one. And okay, so where did I even put it? So I got the little adapter thingy for my computer so that I can start editing on here and, like, you know, get things done. And so I can actually, like, use my external hard drive as well. So let's see if it works. I'm sorry if you can hear, like, kids in the background. My mom's working. She works from home and she works with kids, so okay, yeah, it works. Cool. That's awesome. Okay, so this, I just want to show you guys my new background. I love it. It's so fall-esque. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my breakfast, get some shawarma, and then get ready for class and continue transferring stuff from my old computer to my new one, and then I can give it to my brother. And then also this morning I did my September goals, and I do hope to hit 600 this month. I'm gonna try and upload twice a week minimum, but I really want to do 3, so I'm going to edit my little behind off and get like at least a week ahead and then go from there. So I have to plan out which videos I want to go out when, and then hopefully we'll hit that goal. It'll be really awesome if I did. I was aiming really high initially, but I tried to be a little bit more realistic with my goal because I don't want to get my soul crushed. I got my food. Your girl is starving. I love me some shawarma. It's so good. I'm also watching World's Strictest Parents. I have class in like an hour-ish. So I'm gonna eat my lunch and watch my show.